Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway day. Right here we have our latest winner. However, if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to watch the entire video so you guys can know the 3 steps that you need to follow for a chance to win. Now, no matter what this winner chooses, you guys can go on and choose whatever you would like from the item shop. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. So what Tixon wanted was the Battle Pass. Now, you don't need the Battle Pass yourself in order to gift it out. But if you have it already, you need to go into the Battle Pass tab, which is second tab. If you don't have it yourself, you're going to see the Battle Pass in the item shop. Anyways, right now we're going to go right here and we're going to gift it out. So on the top right hand side of my corner, I'm going to see gift the Battle Pass. Obviously, you need 2FA in order to do this. You need to be friends for 48 hours. If you're not friends for 48 hours, you just have to wait those 48 hours, which means 2 days. Right now, I'm going to gift this out. And no, you cannot gift out the Battle Pass using V-Bucks. There's no way to do that. There has been a way forever to do that. You need to gift it out using money. And here it goes. So we're going to send it up. We're going to confirm our purchase. We just confirmed the purchase. It's going to say processing. And again, this is not using V-Bucks. It's using money. So my V-Bucks will stay the same. So later on, I'll buy more V-Bucks for my other giveaways. But right now, I don't really need to. I'm okay-ish. We're going to go back to game. I can verify that he got it because I will not be able to send this out again. Plus, you know, it tells me right here, gift sent. So I know he actually got it. So if I go back to my party, if I click on his name, I'm going to see that he owns this. So I cannot send it over again. If somebody has, let's say, gifting turned off, which is in your settings, they have to turn it on. But I wouldn't even be able to send it out in that case if they have it off. It's actually going to show me a quick message saying that they have gifting turned off and I cannot gift it out. In his case, everything's fine. We're going to go back to lobby. He should be wearing, well, right now he can claim at least one of the Battle Pass skins, so we can see that. And that way we verify that he actually got it. Alright, so Tixon is back. Here we got Tixon. He finally got the Battle Pass. He actually restarted Fortnite to get the Battle Pass. But now if I click on his name, it says season level 100. So now I know that he got it. Obviously, he's wearing a Battle Pass skin. So that's how we know. So if you guys would like a chance to win, follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done. Accept. Step number 2. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin Battle Pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the Battle Pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the Battle Pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.